Hi, it's Zarek Daniel from USA Math Ministry and Organization. The title of this video is What is Reality? I mean, actually, last night I was ministering an individual. Usually I will never ask or force anybody to tell their names or any private information. No problem with me, you know, to any point, to most private point of my life. I will never hesitate to explain, because when you are finding Christ, when you are in a way of finding Him, privacy, it's just meaningless, because you are part of the body of Christ and you're part of the virgin holy part. With Him, through Him, you're cleansed, you're clean. And privacy in that realm means your entity, yourself. There is some sacred place that it's not private because of privacy, but it's private because of its reality that it's own. You need privacy. Doesn't mean that you're afraid of people not knowing about you, but you just exist. That is, the existence itself is the best definition of privacy, that anybody needs the existence, that in individual state becomes privacy. Passing on through that subject, the reality is end times and tribulation and second coming of Christ. There is no other alternative. So I'm going to put the title, the reality is end times and tribulation and second coming of Christ. I mean, these subjects are so relevant, and that is the reality. And because of end times and tribulation, why should I marry? My mom, why should I can't fix anything, even with system engine that I provided at the end, based on Christianity, based on USA Math engine. The reality is we cannot do anything, even with artificial intelligence. I'm not telling that it is going to be, you can be part of, we can't. I'm not telling that we should sit and do nothing and be upset and depressed. I would say the best answer is endurance, that the thing that I am into, fasting, praying, and getting along with these hard times, that there is no way back. We cannot fix the government, you cannot fix your family, you cannot fix anything. The only person that cannot fix is the Christ. And because of symbols and all these signs and symbols, the right answer, I don't want to manipulate anybody. Either you're with Christ or you're not with the Christ. And you're not with the Christ, that's a big, big, big problem. Better to turn off and do not listen to me. And if you are with Christ, it's very easy answer. Endure, fast, pray, get ready. The best thing is time right now. The amazing news is get ready. They're coming after. The bank's gonna close they're blocking account. They are making people miserable. They're forcing people into drugs and medicine and chipping their brain. Amazingly, chipping the brain. All these things are coming. So get ready. We have almost 10 years to really get ready. And I'm happy that I'm putting this content. Get ready. Please get ready. Means no marriage. If you're a lady, if you're a lady, find a really Christian find a person, don't go after men. Feminism, right? Feminism. It's a time that a lady can get ready. This is the end time signs. Feminism movement is part of the thing that you can live without a body of men and be Christian. So that's the chance of feminism that I can say it's good to see that way. And if you're a man, don't marry, don't bring kids. That's the hardest thing for me. I want to have a kid, I want to marry, but The reality is end times and tribulation. So don't marry, don't fall in love. It's a lie. I mean, be single, be abstinent. Get ready. If you're married, don't divorce. There is no. I mean, if stay in the situation that you are, because anything you do, the thing is gonna be worse and worse and worse. And I'm gonna listen to my words, because sometimes I'm getting emotional. I want my mom see me with my kid and my family. That's not gonna happen, because I cannot fix you. I cannot fix things. The only thing we can fix is finding Christ, finding the Bible, getting ready in Him, and listening to my YouTubes, because I'm gonna repeat these words. Same thing. It's been, maybe 2 years, 3 years. I'm repeating same thing. Same thing is gonna repeat it. Bible, Christ, end times, tribulation, and readiness during the time that it's possible to get ready. Right now you can survive. You can survive. It's possible and it's easy to survive. But along the way, it's going to be harder and harder and harder. And the way that you can survive, no marry, no sexual relation, no sin, reading Bible, fasting, praying, because the reality is, watch to my eyes. Even Zarik, whoever watches, watch to my eyes. I need to see the camera. It's end times and tribulation and second coming of Christ. USA Math Ministry and Organization signing off. And I wish you everybody great time of endurance and readiness as much as it's possible. And I will pray anybody who will ask me to pray. And I need a name and last name if you want my prayer get through, because I cannot do supernatural too much. Even if it's your face, it's going to be that level. It's not going to be strong, my pray. So for pray, I need name and last name. Identity that is unique, that my pray goes to that individual. Unless you need to ask. That's it. Signing off from USA Math Ministry and Organization.